So in this segment of the video we are going to repeat, I'm going to repeat some of the nested expression I had used in my third video on this chapter. So let's get back and view the nested conditions. So the nested condition is going to be based on quantity and the unit price, and obviously the subtotal. So let me just go to the design view and show you what we mean by the nested condition. So I'm going to embed the expression that I've already got here that you have seen before. So the nested condition, let me just display this better so that you can see it. Nested condition, as we've sort of stated before, are the values that are given here. So if the subtotal column is here and the discount column here is here. So if the subtotal is between $200 to $300 or less than $300, then we have a 5% of the subtotal discounted here. So the actual currency value will be 5% of the total value. If it's between $300 to $500, we'll offer 10% of the subtotal value in currency format and 25% in currency format for anything over $500. So these are the conditions we're going to set for that. Just reduce that. So we're going to go to the expression builder again, which is here, and delete the previous one because we want to get started right at the beginning. So we have to use equals IIF open bracket. So what I'm going to do is place the expression that I have already so in the expression builder we again start with equal sign, IIF open bracket, then obviously the expression subtotal. If we just press S sub and UV closer to it, subtotal will come up and automatically the square bracket will be placed on there. Now if it's less than 200 as we mentioned, then we get nothing. We offer nothing, 0. However, if IIF square bracket again subtotal, which is this one, is greater than or equal to 200 and again square bracket subtotal less than 300, then we calculate, this is where the calculated field is, the subtotal multiplied by 10% discount in this case. 5% discount we offer 0.05. Now if it's anything other than that, again we place condition, if condition, again open bracket, square bracket, subtotal, if it's anything other than that, greater than 300 this time, 300, and again square bracket subtotal. Actually you can copy this every time it comes up. Subtotal less than 500, comma, then we calculate with 10% discount. So we have to use square bracket subtotal multiplied by 0.1% discount. Now if it's anything else, so you have 10% discount, and the last one will be the 25% discount. So if there is anything greater than 500, then we are going to give 25% discount. So we put and 10% discount. Okay, discount. Okay. So now IIF, comma IIF, open bracket, square bracket, subtotal greater than or equal to just check again, greater or equal to 500, greater than 500, sorry, greater than, greater than 500, then we offer 25% discount, or we calculate the field discount. So comma, again square bracket, subtotal, and multiply it with 0.25 discount, and make sure you close all the brackets. So in this case it's about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and that will prove to be sufficient. So all of this is going to be based on the condition that are given here. That works. So the condition is got to be between $200 to $300. You have 5% discount calculated on the subtotal. If it's between 300 500, 10% on the subtotal, and if it's greater than 500, it's 25%. So let's save the form and then display it and view it. Form view. So 350 discount. Why is that? Because the subtotal 500 is 25% of this amount, $100. 0% because it's less than 200. $300, so it's offering 10% discount. It's $30. 10% of 300 is 30. So you can